Many people told me about the atmosphere here, but till you can feel it, you don't understand what is this, what magic is here in this hall. It's fantastic. It's very easy to play here with this support. We shouldn't be in this position at the end of the match. I'm very happy to start the season in the best way, winning the most important matches in this period. But we actually know that this is not our best. And this is a good news for us. We can improve a lot, and we are focused on this. We have to only think in the next match. The next match in the Champions League is Paris, but always you have to enjoy a victory. So today we enjoy the victory. From tomorrow we start to think in Paris. We have another match of our league here, and every match in our league is very important for us, because if you want to play the Champions League, you have to make your duty in your league.
Pa znali smo da nas čeka tu teška utakmica i da je Pelister kod kuće jako čvrsta momčad. Pripremali smo se na to, bila je teška utakmica i evo na kraju su oni imali malo više ili sreće i spretnosti da izvuku tu pobjedu. Kad smo vodili u jednom periodu 2 razlike, nažalost tu nas je golman ponovo vratio Pelister u igru, obranio neke zicere, šuteve i evo, na kraju zaslužena pobjeda Pelistera. Pa što se tiče samog Zagreba, siguran sam da će ta momčad samo rast, odlična momčad, dobra momčad i vjerujem da će biti sve bolja i bolja kako prvenstvo bude otjecalo. A što se tiče Pelistera, definitivno kod kuće će biti jako neugodan protivnik svima, a vjerovatno će i oni malo rast formom jer mislim da još svi igrači nisu u najboljoj formi, sigurno će biti još i bolji.